Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be a triple makeup box unboxing for you. Yay! So today we're going to be unboxing 3 different makeup subscription boxes. So we have the Boxycharm for August 2019 here, we have the Medusa's makeup birthday box, which would be super fun, and then we have the Love Aiki box for July. I'm a little bit late about this one. It's a natural vegan and skincare kind of box. I'm a little bit late, I apologize, but we're doing it anyways. So we have all 3 of these boxes to review for you, to unbox for you, to try out and open up on camera. So without any further ado, let's jump to the video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty free, and so is most of the things in this box. The Medusa's makeup box and the Love Aiki box are both vegan boxes. Boxycharm does not advertise as a cruelty free or vegan thing, but I've only received 2 things in the entire time that I've been getting Boxycharm that were not cruelty free, so I consider it a cruelty free box. Maybe just 1 or 2 things I can just give to someone else if it ever happens, but 99% of it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start off with the Boxycharm, I guess, for the month, which is the one everyone probably is the most excited about because it's such a big company. So this is the Boxycharm for August 2019. I haven't seen any sneak peeks of it yet. So first thing in here is the card. This month's theme is Totally, which is not really a theme. And then of course we have the prices of everything on the screen. I also leave the retail prices of all these products on the screen for you. This is a $22 a month monthly subscription service for makeup and beauty products. Once in a while there's a hair thing, but mostly it's makeup-y stuff. So let's get into it. So first things first, in here we see a Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. It's translucent and luminous with peach extract, a glass skin serum. This is what it looks like. I don't know what glass skin means. It sounds kind of scary and makes your skin fragile, but this is the packaging. It's really cute. And then I'm gonna open it up, I guess. I'm not gonna pump it out because I probably wouldn't use this product. I don't typically like use everything in unboxing videos because I usually just gift things to someone else who would get more use out of it because I have so many products already. I guess I am gonna have to pump this one though. Ooh, it's clear. I mean, I guess it is translucent and it says glass and it should be clear, so this is what it looks like. It does not have a good smell. It has kind of like a doctory smell. It has like a little bit of a jelly liquid feeling to it. It's just liquid, but it feels a little bit jelly to it too. Not crazy about how this smells. It says peach extract. I was hoping it smelled good. It kind of smells like a doctor's office a little bit. But this is the first thing in the box. Maybe it's good quality. This retails for $39. Holy crap. Okay, so I already got our value out of the box with this first weird thing. Alright, next up in here is from Becca. I'm excited. This is going to be like a highlighter blush or something. So this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Is this a setting powder? Set and Chill, a loose, refreshing powder that dusts like a mist and sets and perfects and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth finish. Oh my gosh, it's not ridiculously yellow. Okay, so this is it. It's gonna be really reflective. There we go. This is the powder. It's a full-size powder. I am opening this 1000%. Keep me closed to keep me cool. To keep you cool. Sir. This is kind of cool. It opens up like this. Ah, I kind of like that. It's better than like a sifter. I hate a sifter. Sifters are a pain in the butt. Unless the powder is like fantastic, like the Cover FX powder. I'm not a fan of siftery thing. Ah, so violent. So violent. Alright. This powder looks good. Okay, so this is the powder. I would totally use my face right now, but I'm testing some stuff. Ooh, this feels like cloth. This little net thing in here. Can we see a little net thing? It's cloth. This looks really cool. I am into this. I am super excited to get this in a box. What does it smell like though? Doesn't really have too much of a fragrance. But we got a full-size Becca powder in here. Dope. It's flying in the air. This is really exciting. This is probably one of my favorite things we've gotten in a Boxycharm in a long time because it's unique. We don't usually get powders and stuff in boxes. I'm excited. How much does it retail for? This retails for $39. Yay! I'm excited. This looks really good. I'm happy. Ooh, sneak peek in here again. So, we have 2 things. I thought these were Super Shock shadows at first. These are from Ace Beauté. These are Glimmer eyeshadows in Huckleberry, which is this hot pink. Really cute. And then in French Vanilla, which I don't know how this is French Vanilla. That is a silver. Bam! But this is the first one. I'm not going to swatch it because I forget to use single shadows. Someone else get more use out of it. So cute. I'm really into Ace Beauté. I think they're really nice. This one looks a little bit broken, like a little bit cracked. And then this one's beautiful, and I like this one way more. This one looks damaged. The hearts look like crap. I didn't know there was hearts interior until you see how pretty this one is. This has beautiful little pink hearts in it. I am a little bit dying over these. These are so cute. I love this color combination as well. So these retail for $25 for the duo. It's a little bit expensive for two like Super Shock shadows, you know, but these are so pretty. I love the pink packaging. Like, I'm living. This box is really good so far. Alright, moving on. We see something else pink. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So you guys know I love the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil. I haven't tried the illuminating one yet. I used the classic one. It was in my Try Beauty box and everything. Like, I really like it. So this is the illuminating version. So this is more of a more dewy version of the skin oil. The skin oil smells really good. It has like a nice kind of like slightly floral smell to it. Again, I'm not going to open this just because I already have this product, just less illuminating. I'm not a super dewy skin kind of person, but this is really good and it's a really good product. And this retails for $42. It retails for $42. That's expensive. It retails for $42. I forgot how expensive that was. I just had it for so long that you forget how much it costs. Next up and lastly in here, you always gotta take this foam out, you guys. I've lost products before because I did not lift the foam out and realized there was stuff underneath. The last thing in here is from Steve Laurent. We just got his jelly highlighter a month or two ago and I'm still really loving it. This is the shade Vogue. It is just a brown nude kind of lip liner. I am alone. How did my Spotify start playing? So that is some bizarre sci-fi. I'm very uncomfortable with how that just happened kind of thing. I am alone. The cats are asleep. I just checked and my Spotify computer, my computer was asleep as well, just started playing my Spotify playlist out of nowhere. Don't like that. It's very strange. I don't like that at all. But let's go over everything in the Boxycharm before I like start questioning my sanity here. So we have a Steve Laurent lip liner. We have two Ace Beauté single eyeshadows, which are really pretty. We have a Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil, which is really nice. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a shot. We have this really cool Becca powder. I am super excited to try because it doesn't look super yellow, which is incredible to me because everything looks super yellow. And then we have this glass serum, which I'm not crazy about. It's just really strange to me, but maybe it's good skincare because it does retail for $39, I think we said. Yeah, so that's everything in the Boxycharm. Let's move on to the next box. This one was really good this month. Like, this is a really good box for Boxycharm. Alright, so the next box is the Medusa's makeup box, the birthday box. Look how pretty this packaging is. Their boxes are always so cute. This is so cute. I believe this is their birthday box. I want to say it is. So this is the inside the box. It comes with super cute paper. This is such a cute little confetti covered box. I love that. So let's go ahead and look at the cards on the inside for some information. This is Happy Birthday box right here. It's a cute little card. And then on the back here, is there vegan hair dye in here? Oh no, it's in their shop. They have vegan hair dye now. I didn't know that. Do I need this color in my life? This purple hair dye? Oh, it's from Lunar Tides. I need to try Lunar Tides. If you guys have tried them, let me know. I see them on Instagram all the time. We have some Medusa's makeup stickers here. We got little cute stickers. And then we have a little bit of information about this. So, yay. Here's a sneak peek of our birthday beauty box. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. So, let's go ahead and dive in. This first thing on top is a raw organic facial wipe with organic pomegranate and aloe vera. It's biodegradable organic cotton. So this is a facial wipe. Pretty cool. I think I would just stick this in like a travel bag to go. I usually use like a pack of wipes. So this is really good for traveling or just like on the go. Really cute. I'm not sure about how I feel about pomegranate smell. We'll see. The next thing in here is the Sweet Cheeks Double Dare Blush. This packaging is adorable. They have such cute packaging. Look at the little cupcake sprinkly stuff. So cute. They're sealed, so let me cut these open. Oh, this is pretty. It reminds me of the new Ofra blush. So this is the blush in Double Dare. It's so cute. This is the color. It's like a hot pink. Super cute. This would be great as the like I guess, an eyeshadow too, because like this is gonna be like a very specific type of situation blush, but it's really pretty. Next up in here, is this a brush? Ooh, it's a brush. Oh my gosh, how cute. So this is it all wrapped up. I love these things. I don't know what it is. Something about this super fun to me. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this is Medusa's makeup brush. I didn't know they have brushes. Maybe I haven't been paying attention because it says Medusa's makeup on the brush. How cute. It's a nice little tapered brush. This handle with like clear glittery stuff is so cute. This is such a cute brush. I am totally into this. I would use this like a highlighting, like a really diffuse highlighting brush or like a cute blush brush. So cute. This is so pretty. Is this handmade? Because this is like an inconsistent shape on the middle, which makes me feel like it could be handmade or like small batches of them. That's really cool. I'm into this. It's really pretty. This is going straight into my little brush cup right here. Next up in here, ooh, it's a keychain. I'm usually like, keychains shouldn't come with makeup boxes. This is cute. So this says Escape the Ordinary. It's like a little hotel room key, 304. And it says Medusa's makeup on the back. This is so cute. I love this. It's very like Bates Motel, like The Shining kind of thing. Like, love little hotel key. Super cute. Also, what was that movie last year with John Hamm in it? Like a really strange name. Like where they're at a hotel and everybody starts murdering each other and stuff. That was a really good movie. I wish I remember the name of it because it was really good. If you guys haven't seen that, someone comment the name of it down below and everyone watched the movie. It was good. So, next up in here is a glitter. This is Mystique glitter. It's like a mermaidy color. So this is it up close. It's like a beautiful mermaidy kind of color. I'm not going to open it and get it everywhere. But it is like blue. There's like little bits of gold in here as well. It's really pretty. They put a lot of glitters in these boxes and I'm not mad about it because I've been trying to use them more. And it looks like this is the last thing in the box. Yes, it is. And it is a stick lipstick. Oh, this is liquid eyeshadow. Okay, it's a liquid eyeshadow. Which is good because my stick lipstick came melted last time and I was really upset about it. So this is a liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Audrey. Like Audrey Hepburn, hopefully. And if I can get these boxes, I have to say Medusa's makeup boxes and stuff are really tight. Like I'm always scared I'm going to break the box when I open something from them. Ooh, it's gold. This is a liquid eyeshadow. And it is this beautiful kind of gold color. So that's really cool. Let's go over everything that we got in the Medusa's makeup birthday box. So we got this liquid eyeshadow, which is the beautiful gold Audrey color. We got this cool keychain, which like for some reason I'm really into. We got this glitter, which is really pretty, kind of mermaidy. We got some stickers. We got a makeup brush, which is stunning, and it's very soft feeling. It feels really good. We also got a facial wipe, which is right here, and we got a Sweet Cheeks Hot Pink blush. So that is it for this month's Medusa's makeup box. It's all vegan stuff. It's all really cool. I think this box is really good. Like the liquid eyeshadow, the brush, and the blush are probably things to get the most use out of. Maybe I wouldn't get the most use out of the keychain, the glitter, and the face wipe, but still a really good mix of things in this month's box. I'm really happy with it. Thank you guys for sending this to me, Medusa's makeup. I really appreciate it. And now let's move on to the Love Aiki box. So this is a every other month monthly subscription service. I hope it's called Love Aiki. I hope that's what it's called. But it's a natural skincare and it's all vegan stuff. It's every other month. It's a little more expensive than like your average monthly subscription service, but it is still really good for what I've tried so far from it. So this says be your most natural self. I don't believe in being natural whatsoever, but regardless, I like skincare. So in here we have a little bit about Petal and Leaf. We also have the retail prices of everything from this box, and we also have a little bit, ooh. Oh, they gave me a coupon code. You can use code Porcelain for $5 off this box. I didn't know that. So if you want the Love Aiki box, you can save $5 by using the code Porcelain. That's really cool. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. This is like a really full box. So this first thing is the black activated charcoal bentonite clay and coconut oil whitening toothpaste with peppermint. This is a really big toothpaste. Super cool. I've heard of this brand before too. So I have told you guys a million times, like I use a charcoal toothpaste at night and a regular toothpaste in the morning just because I believe charcoal toothpaste really do work and it's really good for your gums as well. So if I run out of my Hello toothpaste, I will definitely be using this as my nighttime toothpaste. I think it's kind of cool when you get a full size and you're like, this is a lot of product. It's way more than I'm used to getting in like a box. The next thing in here we got is a sunscreen butter stick. This is an all good sports sunscreen butter stick with SPF 50. It is water resistant for 80 minutes. That's a lot. So this is what it looks like. This again is a full size. I want to smell this. Is that weird? Ooh, it's kind of weird looking. Look at that. Can we see it? It's like kind of weird looking on the top. It's kind of like a crunchy clay. It's kind of soft. It just feels like a regular sunscreen actually. And it has no fragrance. It's supposed to have fragrance because I don't smell anything. Coral reef friendly, contains organic ingredients. Alright, this is kind of cool. I might actually use this because I hate like lotions and getting between your fingers and like spreading it all over yourself. Like, ugh, it's kind of gross, especially like all over your body. It's kind of gross, so I prefer like a spray sunscreen or maybe a stick I can just kind of rub and then blend in. Sounds a little bit better to me than like a squirt out, like a liquid out of a bottle, like rubbed on your body. It seems off. So I prefer like a mist or something like this, so I'll probably get some good use out of that as well. Next up in here, I saw the word pina colada. This is New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. So it is a pretty little lip scrub. You know I'm going to smell it. Oh, mine's open. It's supposed to be open? Ugh. Ooh, it does smell like pina colada. It smells really coconutty and good. This is the lip scrub. It's a cute little lip scrub. It smells fantastic. It smells real good. I've never actually drank a pina colada. I've had like pina colada flavored things, but I want to try pina colada. Oh, that's why it's open. Mine's broken. So I guess during the trip it cracked. It's cracked down here. The lid's cracked. Either way though, it still closes. It's still really cute looking. Next up in here is a Petal and Leaf, which we had a little bit of information about them in here as well. So this is an Exhale Relaxation Blend. It is like an essential oil blend. This is what it looks like up close. I'm gonna smell it. I'm a little bit nervous. Alright. It smells like a basic essential oil kind of thing. It doesn't have like a specific scent. Not really something I like the smell of too much. It doesn't smell terrible, but it doesn't smell like great. I'm like, it's not refreshing to me. I'm not really the essential oil person though, but overall it's a cute little size. It's really easy. It's 10 milliliters of product. And I like the rollingness rather than just like pouring out oil. And it looks like there's one more thing in here. Yep, this is the last thing in the box. This is the Be Kind with the letter B, kind. Oh, is this a sponge? It says E-Punge Facial Conjac Facial Sponge. So this is what it looks like. It's extremely lightweight in here. It's kind of a big box for whatever's in here. Oh, I guess it's not a big box. Here it is. It is a little sponge. I see these in TJ Maxx all the time in like the skincare section, and I've used one of them before. It was like a big black like charcoaly one of these. These are really cool kind of sponges. It's dense. You get it wet, it gets really big and fluffy and soft. So if you've never tried a Conjac facial sponge before, they're really cool. You can also hang them up at the end of the day and like hang them out to dry so you can reuse it later on. But overall, pretty cool. I kind of like these. I want to try another one of these, so I'm glad I have it now. Let's go over everything that we got in the Love Aiki box. So the first thing we got, this thing we got, is the Conjac facial sponge, which is really cool. We got a full-size SPF 50 sunscreen stick. We have a full-size charcoal toothpaste. Don't really consider this skincare, but I don't think it matters. It's really cool either way. We also got this essential oil roller ball and a pina colada lip scrub. So overall, I think I like this month better than the last Love Aiki box, which had a bunch of serums in it and stuff. So I feel like this is way more practical for like working into your daily routine kind of thing. So overall, pretty good box. I feel like all three of these boxes are pretty good this month. Let me know what your favorite was in the comment section down below. I think my favorite was Boxycharm just because I'm really excited about the freaking powder. I'm really excited about the freaking powder. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.